everyone and welcome. Now, do you want to delete columns in Wrike but you're not sure how? In this video, I'm going to show you how. Now, many of you have been looking for the delete column option, but you've not been able to see it. That is because you cannot directly delete columns in Wrike in the same way you might delete a row or cell in a spreadsheet. However, you can effectively hide that column that you don't want to see. How? Step 1. Access the Fields menu. Navigate to the project folder or space where you want to hide the column. Then switch to Table View. Then click on the Fields menu in the toolbar. Next, locate the column you want to hide. Then click the 3-dot menu next to the column name and select Hide Column. It's as simple as that. Now, if you want to unhide or you want the column to show again, all you have to do is click the Fields menu again, click the Show Hidden Fields, and then check the box into the column you want to show, and it will re-show. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful, but note something before I end. Before I run up this video, there's something you should note: hiding versus deleting. You see, hiding a column simply removes it from the current view. The data within the column is still associated with the task and remains accessible in other views or by using filters. While if you delete it, it's gone permanently. Now, custom fields. If you want to completely remove a custom field, you will need to delete the custom field itself. If you want to know how to delete a custom field, check out a video on how to delete custom fields in Wrike. So moving on, by using the hide column option, you can effectively customize the table view in Wrike by removing unnecessary columns and improving the overall readability and usability of the workspace. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.